morning, Andini.
Morning too.
You look tired today. How is your voice?
Still hoarse like yesterday.
What do you think causes you to be hoarse like that?
I think it is because I am too excited to sing at a concert in Bandung.
Did you get cold during the concert in Bandung?
Yes, because it's rained during the concert and we are cold. But we are very excited and ignore the cold.
That's terrible. Have you seen the doctor?
Not yet, but I've been drinking fresh drinks to relieve.
That's not good. You should go to the doctor now. Do you want me to set a doctor's appointment for you?
Sure, if it does not bother you.
I want you to be healthy again. Before consulting a doctor, you try to drink herbal medicine using tamarind and a little brown sugar, and then add hot water.
Thank you, Imas. That's really a great help.
Don't worry, Andini. I will always help you if I can do that.